Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on various industries. Today, we're delving into the 11 industries that are set to undergo profound transformations as AI continues to advance at an astonishing pace. Buckle up as we uncover the professions that might be on the brink of transformation or even extinction. Number 11. Graphic designers. The rapid advancements in AI have given rise to powerful design tools like Mid-Journey and Stable Diffusion, capable of generating high-quality designs in mere seconds. These cutting-edge applications analyze trends, styles, and user preferences to create visually stunning and unique graphics. As AI becomes more adept at understanding aesthetics and interpreting creative briefs, the need for human intervention in the design process is diminishing. Graphic designers may find themselves competing with machines that can produce eye-catching designs at lightning speed, leaving little room for error and minimal revisions. Number 10. Translators and interpreters. Language processing software like ChatGPT and advanced AI-powered translation tools are revolutionizing the translation industry. These tools can now accurately interpret context, idioms, and cultural nuances that were once exclusive to human translators. While human expertise will always be valued in highly specialized or sensitive translations, the demand for general translation services may wane. Translators must adapt to stay relevant in a world where AI can communicate effortlessly in any language. Number 9. Manufacturing and assembly line. Jobs. AI-powered robots equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning capabilities are taking center stage on the production floor. These intelligent machines can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention, streamlining production processes and reducing the likelihood of errors. While this automation revolution promises increased productivity and cost savings, millions of workers in the manufacturing sector could face uncertain futures as their skills become obsolete. Number 8. Data entry and data processing. AI algorithms are transforming data entry and data processing tasks, providing businesses with efficient and accurate analysis of vast amounts of information. As AI-driven data analytics tools become more sophisticated, the demand for traditional data entry and processing professionals may diminish. Workers in this field must adapt their skills to remain competitive in a fast-changing job market. Number 7. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI-powered tools and software are automating accounting tasks like reconciling accounts and generating financial reports. While the expertise of basic accountants and bookkeepers remains valuable, they must embrace AI-driven tools to stay relevant in their profession. Learning new skills like data analysis or financial technology can complement their existing knowledge. Number 6. Customer service and support. Businesses are turning to AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer inquiries efficiently. AI-driven customer support is raising service quality while reducing operational costs. This shift could potentially leave many customer service representatives searching for new career paths or ways to adapt their skills in an AI-driven world. Number 5. Proofreaders and copy. Editors' language processing algorithms are becoming more adept at detecting grammar and syntax errors and suggesting improvements in writing style in real time. While AI is unlikely to completely replace human proofreaders and editors, the demand for traditional proofreading and editing services may decrease. Professionals in this field must embrace AI-driven tools and use them to enhance their own editing skills, combining the precision of AI with the creativity of human editors. Number 4. Market research analysts. AI-driven data analytics tools can quickly identify patterns, trends, and consumer preferences from various sources. As AI becomes more proficient in interpreting complex data, the need for traditional market research analysts may diminish. Analysts must adapt their skills to harness the full potential of AI-driven data analytics and maintain a competitive edge. Number 3. Legal assistance. Advanced AI algorithms can now perform tasks like reviewing contracts and predicting case outcomes, streamlining the legal process. To adapt to this new reality, legal assistants must embrace AI technology and focus on developing specialized skills that complement AI-driven tools. Number 2. Financial planners and tax preparers. Robo-advisors and intelligent algorithms are providing personalized investment advice and preparing tax returns with remarkable accuracy. Human financial planners and tax preparers must differentiate themselves by offering specialized services, building strong client relationships, or embracing a hybrid approach that combines AI's efficiency with human expertise. Number 1. Junior software developers. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT are becoming increasingly adept at handling complex coding tasks that were once reserved for human developers. Junior software developers must focus on cultivating specialized expertise, understanding advanced AI algorithms, or working on complex, large-scale projects to stay relevant in a field where AI-driven tools can potentially outpace their skills. Conclusion: as we've explored the industries that AI might impact first, it's essential to remember that the rise of AI doesn't spell doom for human ingenuity and creativity. Instead, it presents an opportunity to adapt, grow, and thrive alongside these remarkable technological advancements. Embrace the changes, invest in learning new skills, and find ways to harness AI's potential to elevate your career in this ever-changing landscape. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the future of technology.